Alright, this video is going out to all of you Pro Event Table version 1 owners. We've been talking a lot about the 2 lately, but let's talk about the 1 again for a minute. One of the big objections people have is putting it on a cart and hauling it into a venue. Because a lot of people can get it into their vehicle no problem if they've got a full-size van, or a Suburban, or a full-size pickup truck. But yeah, that extra piece you have to carry in separate into a venue is kind of a drag, but I came up with an idea. So this is a rock and roller cart. This is the R14G. It comes in several different sizes. This cart is adjustable. You can make it really long or really short. First, let me show you how I'm hauling in the Pro Event Table 2 with the rock and roller. So you get the idea. It's real simple. It goes on the cart and it can easily fit through your standard 38-inch doorway, or even a more narrow doorway than that if you want to, because it's only about, I think, 26 or 27 inches wide, even with the grommets sticking out and the support brackets that I've bungee balled onto the table sides. Then of course you put gear behind it to help support it and hold it up so it doesn't fall down. But what about the Pro Event Table version 1? Here's where we start running into problems, because this table, fully assembled without coming in half like the Pro Event Table 2, is 4 feet wide and 46 inches tall, which is just 2 inches shy of 4 feet. There's no way we're getting that through a 38-inch door. Not loaded on the cart like that. But I got an idea. At the beginning of this video I mentioned that this cart is adjustable. We've got it at 4 feet right now. It can go longer, but 4 feet is where I want it. Now, you take your table frame, get rid of this Velcro hold down thing. So as you can see, it's hanging off a little bit on the other side. So I've got it on here pretty much centered even. It's 25 inches long in total. We need to secure this to the rock and roller. How do we do that? The very same bungee balls that we can use for cable management, we can also use to secure this table to the rock and roller. And if any of you are wondering why it's so awkward for me to do this, I did have a stroke. I'm one-handed, so please forgive me. But yeah, do this on both sides. One each side should do the trick. First I thought it'd be cool on the bottom, kind of as a shelf, so nothing fell through the slots, and you could absolutely do that if you wanted to. I mean, it fits, right? But I actually have a better idea for that tabletop, so let's take that off and just load the cart up. So right now I have 2 12-inch subwoofers and a complete column array system, which is the Evolve 50, on the cart, along with a mixer / MIDI controller, a couple cable bags, and that's it. I haven't put my computer on here or my lighting. I had an idea for that. Have a look. Now, we didn't put the support brackets on here, remember? Those are always fun because they want to tumble off the cart, but I've gone ahead and installed them on the table with the table on the cart, all the stuff loaded on here. Now, let's go ahead and just set the tabletop up there. Now we have a top shelf for all kinds of stuff. There's a bag of lights. I'll put it up here. Got Pro Event shelves. We'll put them over here. Here's a laptop. Another bag of lights. Backup laptop, and whatever else you want to put up here. Now, I'm fully aware that many of you have a lot more equipment than this, and some of you are going to have to do more than one load. But for those of you who are going with the smaller systems like I am, here you go. You can do it in one load, and you can actually get more on the cart with the table assembled because you get that shelf. I think that's pretty cool, and you get security too. The gear isn't going to fall off the cart as easily because it's got a brace on one side, and both the front and the back. Yeah, this side's exposed, but we can lean it all up against there and it should be just fine. What to do with those bungee balls? Use those as cable management for your table when you set everything up. So, just an idea. I thought I'd share it. I hope it helps somebody out there. This is going out to Scott in Chicago. Thanks for watching. Practice and enjoy.